Hey guys, it's Denise here and welcome back to another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to do a set of press-on nails. There's going to be a floral design. The tips that I'm going to be using are from Nail Couture in the oval shape. They're the soft jelly tips, which I absolutely loved. I got these from my nail boxy. So what you want to do first when you're, and I'm going to do it like a press-on style, so I'm not going to do the base coat or anything. Here I'm just sizing them up, making sure that they fit sidewall to sidewall. You don't want any gaps. And I already have them all sized up, already laid out on my nail display thing that I got from Amazon. They're magnetic stands and I absolutely love this. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description box for you guys to check out. And now let me show you the products that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using this pink color called Angel Wings from Madame Glam. I'm going to use the transfer foil from Ideal Beauty, which I love, by the way. I'm going to use this sheer pink for Model 1s. It doesn't have a name, I don't think. I couldn't find, so that's the number. And I'm going to be using this transfer foil that I got from Amazon. Like I said, I'm doing a floral set. I absolutely love this transfer foil, super cute. And I'm going to be using my not so favorite striping tape. I have a love-hate relationship with striping tape, you guys. I'm sure you guys know. Now I'm just going to take my buffer and I'm going to gently remove all the shyness from all the nail tips, just so the gel polish and the base coat have something to adhere to. Alright, so moving on, I'm just going to dust off the dust from the nails using this cute unicorn brush that I got from Double Dip Nails when they sent me my PR package. I haven't used it. This is the first time I've used it, but I might not use it again because I don't want to ruin it. It's super cute. So now I'm just going to take my alcohol and a lint-free wipe and remove any extra dust on the nails because I want a smooth application when I apply my gel polish. And so now I'm just going to take my base coat and I'm going to apply it to the nail. Once I'm done with the application of the base coat, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And so now I'm taking that sheer pink from Model 1s. It's super sheer. I'm just going to do one coat though. I just don't, when I put on the transfer foil, I just don't want it to be too see-through. I don't want to see my nail plate. So I'm just going to do one thin coat and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. So moving on to the next step, I am grabbing my foil transfer glue and I'm just going to do a thin stripe down the middle of the nail. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to cover, I'm going to put gel polish on the sides of where I put the transfer foil and you'll see in a little bit. So I'm just taking this transfer foil, make sure you have it on the right side, and I'm just going to firmly apply it on the nail and then just kind of smooth it out. Make sure that it's transferring all the way through onto the nail. And then I'm gently going to remove it and voila, look at you guys. This transfer foil, I absolutely love it. I mean, the transfer glue, it's awesome. All right, so now I'm just taking the Angel Wings from Madame Glam and I'm going to use this beetle liner brush. And I'm just going to do a super thin line down the side of that transfer foil. This is the reason why the transfer foil didn't need to be perfect. So I'm just making sure that my liner brush is nicely coated. And I'm just going to do one line down and then I'm going to do the same to the other side. And you guys, I did forget to mention that I did cure the transfer foil glue for 60 seconds before applying the transfer foil. And so now I'm just going to take that gel polish and I'm going to apply a thin coat on the sides. I actually do one thin coat and then I cure for 60 seconds and then I do a second coat and cure for 60 seconds. And you guys, I'm excited to announce that this video is in collaboration with DaynaAugust Nails. You guys should definitely check her out if you guys haven't already subscribed to her channel. I absolutely love that girl. She's so funny. She's so smart. Her videos are amazing. Her artwork is amazing. She is very thorough when it comes to letting you guys know exactly what she's doing. And when it comes to the products that she's using, she's very knowledgeable in them. I think that's the word, right? So big. But yeah, I'm so proud to call her one of my nail sisters. So make sure to give her a follow, you guys. Now, moving on. Now I'm getting this striping tape, which I didn't struggle with so much because I don't like striping tape. But I'm just going to apply this right where the transfer foil and the gel polish meet. And what I did to help me stick this striping tape was that I didn't remove the sticky layer off the gel polish after curing it. So that helped a lot. And so now I'm just taking my nippers and I'm just going to cut off a little bit. And then I'm just going to do the same to the other side. And now when it comes to cutting off the striping tape, you do want to make sure that you're cutting as close to the nail tip as possible. You don't want any of that striping tape left, like at the edge, because then it'll start lifting, or your client or whatever, yourself, are going to start picking at it, and that's going to be no bueno. Alright, so now we're moving on to applying that top coat, and the top coat that I used is from Model 1s. I think that's the top coat that I used, and again, I'll make sure to leave all the links in the description box for you guys to check out. Alright, so after applying the top coat, I did cure for 60 seconds, and that's what my first nail looks like. I did like how it came out, but I'm thinking I probably should have used like a gold striping tape. I don't know. What do you guys think? Silver or gold? But that's what I did. So here I'm just taking the next nail. I already applied the base coat and the sheer pink. And then you just saw me apply the transfer foil glue from iGel Beauty, which I cured for 60 seconds. And now again, I'm just applying that transfer foil. So it's all the same process. I just added the transfer foil in different areas, of course. And now I'm just applying some pressure. Make sure that it's imprinting on the nail all the way. And look how clean that comes out, you guys. I really do like this foil glue. And now I'm just going to apply that gel polish. Again, I do apply 2 coats, and I do cure in between coats for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to talk a little bit about Lisa, which is DaynaAugust Nails, the one that I'm doing this collaboration with. She actually came up with this whole idea. I don't know if you guys follow her, but she's been doing a Valentine's series on her channel. So she's been posting a video every day of a nail set for Valentine's, and she's been doing amazing. I don't know how she's keeping up with all these videos, posting or uploading every day, but I'm super proud of her. She came up with this theme, and that's the reason that the title is I'm Foiling for You. I thought it was super cute and super clever, the title that she came up with for this video. But yeah, it's floral theme, as you guys can see. So I did try to come up with something simple, not too complicated. And yeah, I absolutely love how these turned out. So I will definitely be wearing these, not for long. So that's why I did in press-ons, because I was just giving my nails a little break. So that's why I decided to go press-on style. So at this point of the video, all the steps are repetitive. I'm doing everything the same, except where I'm placing the foil. The foil is obviously placed in different areas of the nail, but everything else is the same. So just continue watching. And before this video is over, I do just want to say, if you acknowledge the holiday of Valentine's Day and you're going to celebrate it and share it with either a loved one, family member, friends, however you celebrate it, or whoever you celebrate it with, I hope that you guys have an amazing day and stay safe. On my end, I will be at my mother's house celebrating my little boy's birthday. He will be 10 years old this month, on the 15th. So just a day after Valentine's Day. So I'm very excited about that. Just 3 more years and my little boy would be a teenager, which is crazy to me because time flies so fast, but I'm so proud of him. He's such a good boy. So that's where I'll be celebrating my boy. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Is just I hope you guys stay safe, and yep. All right, ladies, so I am applying the top coat on the last nail of this set, and here's what all the nails look like. I am gonna apply them on myself so you guys can see what they look like on a hand, and I absolutely love them. I think they're super simple, super cute. I love the shape, so let me know what you guys think, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.